Hi guys, I would like to show to you the revolver that I got this morning at the gun store. It says Smith and Wesson Model 638. Okay, and it says here that it was made in November 1991. And let's take a look at it. So it's a model 638 Smith and Wesson, and what I read about it is this was introduced in 1989. It's an Airweight stainless. This was an aluminum alloy and stainless steel version of the original Model 38. And you will notice that it has a shrouded hammer. It eliminates the risk of the hammer getting snagged on packets, purses, or clothing when drawing the weapon in a self-defense situation. It shoots double action. Shooting in double action mode makes the P638 extremely fast to deploy in stressful situations, as there is nothing to remember to do except point and pull the trigger. Okay, let's check. There's nothing on it. It's empty. It's a double action little gun. And it has a low profile ramp front sight and the fixed notch near rear sight are quick to line up. And this is built on Smith and Wesson's famous J frame. It has a 5-shot cylinder rated for Class P special ammunition. Stainless steel and alloy construction resists corrosion caused by humidity and perspiration when the revolver is carried close to the body. The Smith and Wesson 638 Airweight double action revolver carries easily, deploys rapidly, and has enough firepower to handle any self-defense scenario. So it can fire single or double action. Okay, so I think this is a good buy. So watch out for my next video. I'm going to test this at the range. Okay.